Unia, so about TikTok so no kakra. Within Clement, and I share how you can set up a simple block making factory. Okay, simple block making factory. I'm actually going to walk you through how to start to your profitability. Into me pacho and come where there. So like in the follow. I order no I can thank you. Why? I am more ready to share no business I can no add it to your favorite. Over start a business piano. I dare my queen here partner say over conduct market research. You say one find more the classroom by coming innovating and the electricity into environment now. Into we conduct market research, okay, where you assess how feasible the project will be. This was with you. Second one, you have to find the resources for the business. Why market feasibility? Why your assessment will be behavior? You have to find resources that you need for the business. A bit is our location and resources. Now, afi we set up cost. It is a block making factory here. Say, we have a new site kakra on. A new site kakra. I don't know how a Jumano etinia show. Right? Location is very important in this business. So your setup cost. So typically, this is how your setup costs may be. Alright. To make maybe a localized block making. When you secure between China machines near the other. Or chassis. To make maybe between 18,000 okay to 20,000 Ghana cedis. Ope bi atam on crofo mo yebi with this price okay obetimi abo. Afi we mixer. Mixer na efra no. Say onye scanto mixer sie a wa obetimi a mixing no way to say localized machine ya na yi. Why? That's a permission. So I like it. No one follow so I can thank you, Thank you. Yes, mixer is around 15,000. The last time that I checked, you could get some around 13,000, but okay, in project in 15,000. Once again, I have people who can supply you this if you need one. Alright, then you need Abuboya for local transport. Once again, you can Abuboya. This will be 40,000, this will be 80,000. But I know suppliers who can get you Abuboya brand new one, cargo type. You need 20,000 and 25,000. It's a startup cost for fixed one, excluding the land, 20,000 Ghana cedis, okay, plus 15,000 Ghana cedis, plus another 20,000 Ghana cedis, which is going to give us 55,000 Ghana cedis. Okay. Alright, until you open a business plan on this project, makes me involved. My design become a diamond. Why? And also, later on, which must send me the business plan block making factory. Now, I am brought a name out the bay with you, man. Obviously, we have cement bags. So, cement bags, marketing. We have cement bags. What I say? Over here, sand. No, here, query ducks. Depending on sending your home, we are identifying. And the cement bag is, wait to me, they say, I'm a PM got to be 92 cities. But the funds of area weight on 120. And yeah, you're 3,000 cities. But the funds are 4,000 cities now, and I'm query dusting. Cement bag gives us a year and you're saying, what you say. And you are send a baby per trip and then you come home. So people be come home. So like in the full, you hear I don't have that. You to us. But that's you share with you. Thank you.